Hi friends, welcome to Emil's Kids channel. Today we're going to learn about something really cool, birds.
Hi, I'm Feathers. I'm a bird and I know all about my feathered friends. Let's explore together.
Birds are animals with feathers, wings, and beaks. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors from tiny hummingbirds to big eagles.
Birds are the only animals with feathers. Feathers help them fly, stay warm, and even show off to other birds.
Birds build nests to lay their eggs and raise their babies. They use twigs, leaves, and even mud to make their cozy homes.
Birds are great parents. They take care of their eggs and feed their babies until they're ready to fly on their own.
Birds are famous for their songs. They sing to communicate, attract mates, and mark their territory. Each bird has its own special sound.
Some birds can even mimic sounds like parrots. They're like nature's little musicians.
Birds are important for nature. They help spread seeds, pollinate flowers, and keep insect populations in check. Thanks for learning with us today. Birds are so amazing, aren't they? See you next time on Emil's Kids channel.
Bye, friends. Keep looking up at the sky and listening for birds.